What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified of all my video uploads. I am so excited for this video because we are going to have some fun together. I am going to show you how to create a personalized tumbler. Super easy, super cute. I know you're gonna love it. So just work with me step by step. It's quick, it's simple, and it's a really awesome gift. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Here are the apps I used: Pinterest, Canva, and Cricut, all free on the App Store. Cricut supplies I used was a Cricut Explorer 2, scissors, weeder, brayer, and permanent vinyl in white. Other supplies I used were Tumblers, blow dryer, paper studio cutting mat, magic cover clear vinyl from Hobby Lobby, and some ribbon. I found these super cute water bottles at Walmart, $1. I was shocked at the price. Set up somewhere where you have plenty of space. Here's a Cricut. Here's the on button. Select vinyl. There's the open button. This is what it looks like open. When setting up your mat and your vinyl, be sure to slide the mat and vinyl under those two brackets on your Cricut. Just like this. Look up some great ideas on Pinterest. There's always so much to look at. Now open up Canva. I usually use a logo selection, and I'll usually use a blank one. Type in your name. Select your font. There's so many fonts to choose from. I like using Canva because it's free. On Cricut, you do have to pay extra for certain fonts. It's the same thing on Canva, but there's so many more free fonts than there are on Cricut. I think the first one here, I saved it, and then I kind of took the easy way out and started screenshotting. But that's okay, it's just going to go in as an image in Cricut. Now open up the Cricut app, start a new project, click on Upload, and select from Photo Library. Now you have to do one at a time here. So crop the photo. And if you see here in the top corner, that is what your Cricut sees. So you need to make sure to take out all of the extra colors that you don't want to cut. And save it as a cut image in your Cricut app. So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the names. Now that all our images are saved in Cricut, insert them into your Cricut mat on the app. The grid on the app is the same ratio as the grid on your map, so you can follow those lines and compare them to your mat. Put your tumbler up against your mat and see how big you want the decals. So here, because of the size of these tumblers, I wanted them no bigger than 4 inches. here you can just go to cutting, but since I wanted to make the most of my vinyl, I had some sort of T-shaped scrap of vinyl left, so I went ahead and used that. I placed everything to fit the shape of the vinyl that I had. Some of the names turn yellow because they're overlapping with another name. Cricut is telling you that you need to fix that. Now connect your Cricut via Bluetooth to your phone. Make sure your mat is under those brackets. Make sure the vinyl is flat. Now press a dual-sided arrow. Then click on Create. The Cricut button will start blinking. Press it to start cutting. You'll see the progress on your phone. I'm still fascinated by this. I love watching it. Always cover your mat back up so that you don't get any fuzzies on there. Now you're gonna peel this. Here I used the weeding tool from Cricut. Because it has some sort of pointy curved edge, it's easy to grip the vinyl. But just peel it like if you were peeling just a regular sticker. Don't remove it from the backing yet until you're done removing the excess vinyl. Now I like to use this type of clear self-adhesive because it's not as difficult to remove from the vinyl when I'm done applying. It's not as gripping as the Cricut brand, which I like. Now I blow dry it just to warm it up so that it'll grip even better onto the tumbler. Now using the Cricut brayer, give it a few passes just so that it's on there nice and tight. Now I'm trying to decide which color ribbon I want. I was gonna go with teal with the teal cups, but then I thought pink will give it a nice pop of color. So there you have it, a quick and easy DIY to add to your gift-giving repertoire. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if there's anything that needs clarification. I'd love to help you out. And I can't wait to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.